Now students, just see, in ruminants, nutrition processes takes place in 4 steps. First step is ingestion. Ingestion means what? Food is taken in through the mouth with the help of the tongue. It is called as the ingestion. Same, this ingestion process is carried out in ruminants like human being. Now the second step is digestion. Digestion, it occurs mainly in the stomach. Now just see, stomach has 4 chambers. First chamber, second chamber, third chamber and fourth chamber. Just see here, this first chamber is also called as the rumen. Now what happens in that first chamber? In first chamber, all whatever be the cellulose is there, food material is move inside the stomach with the help of esophagus, and after that what happen in stomach, all these food material get again be digest. Okay, but as we all know that cellulose is not easy to digest actually, understand? So that's why what happen, see in rumen food material is digested, and what happen after that, this food material again move towards the second chamber, and this second chamber, whatever be the food material is there, which is called as the curd, and because this curd is undigested food actually, because cellulose is present in that and this cellulose is not digested easily, then what happen, this curd is again come back into the mouth for chewing, understand? And after chewing, what happen, this curd is again come back into the third chamber and fourth chamber. So like that digestion process is completed in the ruminants, understand students? Now just say third step. Third step is also called as the absorption and assimilation. See, absorption, what happen, like in small intestine after stomach, this food material from fourth chamber, this food material get move in the small intestine, and in small intestine digestion of most nutrients is carried out. Okay, and after that this food material come back into move towards the large intestine, and in large intestine what happen, whatever be the remaining particles, like salt is present in that, this salt is again absorbed by the villi. This process is carried out in the large intestine, understand students? So like that absorption assimilation process is done. Now the fourth step is egestion, or is also called as the excretion. Now what happened, digestion is almost completed, and whatever be the waste material is there, so this waste material means remaining solid waste is egested from the body through the anus, so this process is called as the egestion or excretion. Now here students, just see here, nutrition in ruminants, this topic is totally complete. Thank you very much.